If this isn't a Ferrari fighter, I don't know what is. If you didn't know anything about cars, you would swear that this was a Ferrari if you've only seen Ferraris. Red, rear engine, tan interior. What a car. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Garage Topics. Be sure to subscribe if you like Corvettes and just anything fresh, you know? So I live in Bowling Green, Kentucky. There's this like Corvette homecoming thing going on this weekend. I don't know what exactly it's called, but basically the Corvette museum's here in Bowling Green. All the Corvettes are made here in Bowling Green. It's a 25-year anniversary of the museum existing. So all these caravans from all over the country have brought Corvettes in. So there's over 5,000 Corvettes in town. No matter where you're at in town, there's just convoys everywhere. I hear it's kind of pandemonium over at the museum, but I also heard there's a lot of C8, so I kind of want to check it out. So let's go check it out right now. I'm hoping that it's not too crazy over there. I got a blackout exhaust on here now, so that's coming up in another video, but it sounds pretty good. Yeah, there's still tons of Corvettes everywhere. That's a good 50 Corvettes stacked in that parking lot right there. Man, I'm at home with my brothers. I'm going to be doing a lot of waving today at a lot of Corvette brothers. So here's the museum packed with Corvettes. All these parking spots cost money to park here. So we're going to park down here and hopefully walk on over. Alright, we're off-roading, boys. Off-roading a bunch of Corvettes. I had to turn traction control off because it's slippery out here. But man, there are tons of cars out here. And this is just a parking lot for spectators. Sitting low, but this is just spectator parking, so we're going to go check out all the cars and see what's good. Again, this is just a spectator parking lot. This isn't anything like Corvette special parking. It's just loaded. Bunch of C7s, C6, C5s, couple C4s. Not a whole lot of older ones. I guess because these people are coming from like all over the country, like California, you name it. So I'm just gonna look around and see if we can find anything neat. Yes, please. And like they're from Washington. So from all over. Alright, this charter buses and vans bringing everyone in because the parking's so far, but we came what we were looking for. There's a bunch of C8s here, and these are the display ones. So the one I found the other day didn't actually have any emblems on it, so these ones are actually legit cars, probably with VINs. So let's go check some out. We can sit in them too. Here's the silver one. Man, every color looks great. You can sit in these too. That is freaking cool. Silver one. Here's a black one. There's a red one over here as well. Barely even see it, but look, yeah, luggage right there. That's cool. It's like Ferrari-ish with its tan interior. Look at that. Here's another silver one. People checking out the trunks. That one's got a blue interior. Holy crap, let's look at this interior. That is wild. That's like video game status. This would be real neat to check this thing out. You can see all of the guts of this. The rear end and the transmission in the back here. You see the air filters right here. The exhaust is running down right there, although the heat shrink goes right. This has got red intake manifold cover. See all of the framing of it, all the carbon fiber, the structural pieces of the roof, the inside pieces here. Man, this is phenomenal. I kind of like it all stripped out. That center gauge thing that's in here is kind of too futuristic, but this looks just clean and simple. And then you can see all of the front room in here, radiators down here, automatic transmission, spoolers, power steering looks like electronic, and all the cargo area sits in here, but this is all aluminum. It's really cool. Here's the dual clutch. Again, it's broken out too. This is a beefy boy. So the engine's hooking up right here, import shaft. And now all the gearing is all back in here. And the cutaway of the engine in here. Big old cami boy right there. And intake paint
That's
furnace.
the clutch right here.
Man, that's amazing.
That's the dual
pretty
clutch
fresh.
right here. Dual clutch.
That's really cool. If you like Corvettes or just like cars, this is heaven here. This is all free. You can come just check this out if you're in Bowling Green. The museums, you gotta pay to go in the museum, obviously, but all the stuff outside here, all the experiences, sitting in the cars, you can do it for free. So I kind of want to sit in that blue one and check out the interior in it, but honestly, anyone will be just fine. There's a whole Corvette experience over here. Like they've set up this mobile showroom, which is all carbon fiber looking, which is real neat. And it has one of those white, bluish color ones over here. Let's go see if we can get a close-up look at this. Man, this is like a whitish, light bluish gray color. Man, this looks killer. It's got a red interior too. Man, it doesn't have the wing, which I'm a big wang fan, if you know me. But man, look at this thing. That's great. I got the fake shrubbery, but yeah, so you can go in this building here, carbon fiber Corvette pop-up building, and you can go in there and design a Corvette if you want to. Whether you're looking to buy one or just check it out, it's real neat. And then obviously all these Corvettes here, a bunch of C7s, C6s, some C5s. But let's go see if we can sit in a C8 and take a look. Before we sit in one, this red one sticks out to me hardcore. This is as close to Ferrari as you can get. Look at that, just red, rear wheel drive, rear engine, and interior. What are those? What are those? We're at the Corvette home, so you better expect that. They are everywhere. Alright, this is the one we're gonna sit in. We've got a good view here. Luggage fits back there. Target top actually fits back here, which you still have room in the front for luggage. Right here. They've got different colored intake covers and stuff as well. These wheels, I think, are my favorite. So we'll sit in here and see how it feels. So first off, I want to see how this door handle is. So the handle is down in here. Where's the handle at? It's hidden underneath here. So the handle's down here. This is the tan interior. Oh man, this has been sitting a bunch this weekend. Oh man, look at this. So this is all that fabric material. It's kind of getting worn already just from this weekend. The steering wheel's the same way. Sitting in here, whoa, this is super fancy in here. Being in here, it doesn't feel that unnatural. Just the pictures of it make it look bad, but from a driver's point of view, it's actually really good. This screen's gonna be great. I don't like this tan roof. It makes it feel super like too luxurious for me, I guess, but I don't know. If you're wondering about this fabric and all the materials in here, this is just a demonstration car from this weekend. It's all getting all tore up, so maybe looking at the leather, but this feels incredible. The engine's right back there for you. Got another speaker here. Center console. It's all locked and stuff like that. Cup holders are right here, hidden. Got this little controller here for all the dials, but man, this is crazy. The OnStar's up here. All your HVAC controls are right here. And the vents are tiny. The vents are just like this here. So I'm gonna get out and check out another car and let some other people experience it, but man, this is really good. This is a silver one here. Not my first choice of color, but the interior on this is amazing looking. I did not think Corvette would go this radical, so I'm gonna sit in it. It's a leather version too, which is gonna be better than the other one, so take a look. Look at the interior on this. I don't know what it's called. It's blue and leather.
I know.
Let's take a look at this. Oh man.
Well, that really sticks up here, doesn't it?
Let's adjust the seats back. Oh yeah, this leather is where it's at. This is a whole lot nicer than the suede.
The rear's way up.
And with the roof off, this is an incredible experience in here. This is unreal. This is like a supercar for sure.
Once you open
This
one more notch,
blue is interesting. It looks cool from a distance, but the leather, in my opinion, is the way to go. Like this roof up here is, with it off, is incredible. You can see all the buttons and the amount of interior color options and the stitching and everything like that. This is incredible. I've got tons of room here. The seat is all the way back right now, and I'm 6 foot and my feet are barely resting on the accelerator pedal. So if you're over 6 foot, you can definitely fit in here. I'm gonna let some other people take a look in this car, but this is really neat. This more than just C8s here. Like this Corvette here is more my speed. This thing is nasty. It's got some race fuel. It smells great over here. Look at this thing. Side tubes, period correct wheels and tires, period correct engine. Great. All right, I'm out of here. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed myself more than I thought I would. So I got the sweet post that's gonna go up in the garage. So excited about that, but I gotta go do some work for LS Fest. So be sure to subscribe. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. That was really cool. So if you like Corvettes, cool. If your dog doesn't like Corvettes, think about training him a little bit better. Catch you later.